So as we start to see this latest COVID surge subside, we are also seeing health leaders looking to move our community closer to living with the virus in a more normal way. And one of the avenues for that is through our schools. In fact, we're seeing education leaders going about this in different ways. For example, you might recall in Union County, the school board recently voted to officially end contact tracing and quarantines for COVID exposures, and that's going to start on Monday. And we know that some board members found the protocols to be a burden on staff and students that sometimes keep both groups home unnecessarily after an exposure. But in a different take, South Carolina health officials are encouraging a different way to avoid over-quarantining, you might say, without completely ditching COVID protections altogether. And this is called Test to Stay. And this is how it works. It uses rapid testing on students who've had COVID exposures. Those students would actually remain in the classroom the whole time as long as they don't have symptoms and as long as they continue to mask and do so for 10 days. They would have to take their rapid test on day 5 to 7 after the exposure. Take a listen.
So by doing these layered strategies, we feel that it takes the risk down to an acceptable level when looking at and comparing to the benefit of keeping children in person in school.
And so this comes as health leaders say that it is most important right now to keep students in school in person as much as possible. By the way, if you'd like to learn more about Tests to Stay, we have an article up about it on our website, WCNC.com. Just look for this headline.